Now the next one, it says a person lives at a distance of 1 kilometer from a factory. The speed of sound in air to be 330 meter per second. How much time will the sound of factory siren takes to reach the worker? अब यहाँ पे distance हमें mentioned है already. That's 1.32 किलोमीटर. बट इसको हमें किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा? इनटू मीटर. सो कैसे करोगे? मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विथ 1000. तो आपके पास आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 1320 meter. That's nothing but the distance. And speed of sound in this case is given as 330 दिया हुआ है हमें, तो 330 meter per second. Now they are saying how much time it would take. तो time आपको कैसे find out करना है? That's nothing but distance over speed. और distance हमारा यहाँ पे कितना है? 1320 divided by speed 330. So 0 से 0 cancel हो गया. और 33 times आपका 132 would get answer as 4 seconds. तो कितना टाइम लगेगा to travel the sound towards the worker? It would take about 4 seconds in all.